Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the International Closers 3010-JO slide block. This is a replacement slide block for a track style closer that will have a track up into the, it's going to be into the header when you have an offset application. The slide block is what connects to the end of the arm and literally travels through the U-channel that's installed in the door. This part being of some sort of high-tech space-age nylon, for as durable as they are, they do end up needing to be replaced. And this is the JO version, which is different than the VO version. And these dimensional properties will help allow you to determine if this is the correct one. The overall length, 2.932. The overall height, 0.702. The overall thickness, 0.735. The overall height of the mounting post, 0.34. Its diameter, 0.252 diameter. Okay, so this is going to ride inside of the track. The arm will fit on it, then there'll be a clip or a C-clip that will hold that on in place. Okay, let's switch to the screen view now, and let's take a closer look at some supporting documentation that should help determine if this is the correct item for your application. Okay, here is the item that we are indeed looking at, the 3010. This is the VO version, but the 3010 JO slide block. And let's switch to some photographs. This little shoulder step is what's going to ride inside of the channel. This will all be retained, the wider portion. Actually, let me tell you what that other dimension is. I neglected to do so. This dimension here, just the width of this. That is 0.432. 0.432 from here to here. Well, let's give you the height as well. 0.105. 0.105 is the height here. The bottom side of it, a plan view, I suppose. Now, there's also a cut sheet listed down below, and we can take a look at where this is used. So the JO, you'll know it because you're going to have a different track type that's installed where you have a 9/16 depth top rail. So what's going to happen is the track is going to be physically smaller because it's going to need to fit, and I believe that these pictures may be well, they're so pixelated it's hard to tell. But if you have a 9/16 depth top rail, and what that's referring to is, the inverted top rail of your door, the question is, what is that dimension? So you've got to pick your aluminum hardware based on the structure of the door itself. And if you have a 9/16 top rail, that's what you'll be looking at. Okay. So it's just the slide block only. Very common to replace. It doesn't happen all the time, but we certainly sell slide blocks, and there's actually one style that we stock for automatic doors because it is common enough to actually keep it on hand. These are less so, but nonetheless these closers are everywhere. Now, this offset top arm style is used with these center hung closers when you have with this overhead concealed closer that has a spindle down in the center of the body that will work with these different arms that would act as a center hung closer. If you have that closer and then the door is hung on pivots or butts or maybe a continuous geared aluminum hinge, you need an offset arm. And that's where the slide track comes in, the offset arm comes in, and obviously the slide block as well. And this product catalog just goes on to show you the different instances where it shows up. It's the same stuff, just where it shows up in the manufacturer's catalog, and I can show you where we keep that. Below this video here is a link to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the international products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, which can be seen here. And by the way, the different products we sell, that can be viewed by this horizontal navigation. The link to the website is here. A link to that full product catalog is here. Now that's almost 400 pages worth of all things, or many things, commercial builders hardware related from International, a company who imports quality builders hardware from overseas. They have a comprehensive offering of closers and exit devices and locks and deadbolts, aluminum storefront hardware, continuous geared aluminum hinges, even low-energy door operators, on and on. A whole mess of electrified hardware along with trim and auxiliary as well. So their name is very notorious within the industry. Many people have heard of International, and they don't just make door closers. If people call us for an International product, it's always a closer. Well, here's 400 pages saying that they make more than door closers. So you might want to review that. Good quality company, good quality people. Let's wrap up this video on camera. Now, if you have any questions on the 3010-JO replacement slide block or any other International product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.